All right, guys, what's going on? Just got back from a little community called Hartford, Tennessee, uh, and it's pretty bad over there. It's on the way to North Carolina, and just right below where they had to shut, right below where Interstate 40 sank into the river. Went down there, looked around a little bit. The Army's down there helping them out and stuff like that. Um, Trying to describe what I seen. Um, you just drive down the road and you'll see piles of personal belongings, furniture, stuff like that, just all down each side of the road. That's really heartbreaking because all these people, it's their personal belongings, furniture, probably clothing in that too, and just stuff that just got ruined in their house when it flooded. Uh, you seen that? I've seen one car where there's a trailer kind of sunk into the ground beside of it. It's pretty much destroyed. Um, let's see here. Seen a because that area in Hartford, Tennessee is I would consider it like a big rafting community because along the river there they have like numerous rafting businesses down there. Mainly it's just gas stations and rafting businesses right there in Hartford. And you'll see in some of the video clips that I show, it's just decimated. And I talked to some family that lived up there, and they said that basically in some parts the river actually has rerouted, and don't know if maybe the Army Corps of Engineers are going to try to reroute it back to where it was. But yeah, driving down through there, I think I saw some places where the river used to flow, and it's all dry boulders now, river rock, and it's you can tell. I think what it is, there used to be, if you know anything about some of the rivers, you'll have the main channel, but then over beside it you may have like a little sluice or maybe a larger sluice type creek that cuts off the main river and then goes around and connects back to the main river. I think what has happened in this scenario is, the little sluice that branches off the main river, it is now the main river. And where the main river used to flow, it's just all dry bedrock now. I wished I could have got that on video, but I passed a few places just going down the road, but just didn't have nowhere to turn off, pull off, and to get the video of it would have been, it would have been hard. But there's places where the river just totally cut a new path, and if they don't change it back, that's just the new route of the river now. Crazy, guys, crazy. But yeah, I've got some video clips here to let you guys just see how bad it is in Hartford, Tennessee. And again, the Army's in there helping them out. It's gonna be a while. It is going to be a while, especially it's a real small community, and there's people that live down there along the river. I've seen several campers. I guess people set up campers down on the river, and they didn't really have time to, get them out of there. They just, you can see them. I've seen them. They're twisted and just turned upside down and up against trees and stuff like that. But I ended up going into this one mobile home park and getting some footage there, which you'll see here in a few minutes. But yeah, it's just total devastation for that little community in Hartford along the river there. Without further ado, guys, I'm gonna let you see some of the video clips that I shot down there, and it's pretty, I got a lot of rebuilding to do. And I noticed on this one trailer, it said something about, it had like a Red Cross piece of paper on it, Red Cross number, and it said you qualify for federal assistance or something like that. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. But yeah, a lot of people have lost a lot of sentimental stuff. You know, imagine something being in your family for a couple hundred years and, you know, it's gone like that. Whether it's a Bible, clothes, jewelry, even cars, you know, maybe a car's been handed down, you know, from generation to generation. I mean, who knows? But some of that stuff is just like gone to these people. It's gone. So something to think about, and I'll go ahead and show them video clips and let you see it. It's pretty, you know, pictures are worth 1,000 words. This is it right here. So anyway, guys, you know, after the video's over, let me know your thoughts and comments. Prayers for Hartford, prayers for Asheville, prayers for everybody that's been hit by the floods. So, and I'm gonna go out here and build me a campfire, roast me some marshmallows or something. So I'll see you guys on the next video, which will probably be tomorrow. So until then, take a gander at some of these video clips and let me know in the comments below what you think about the devastation that you see. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, guys. Right here, it looks like it used to be a some kind of tree jungle gym or something like that. Here's a close-up of that building. There's a roof of some sort, but this must be the building to one of the rafting places, I guess, maybe. A windbreaker. Somebody's windbreaker. There's the... Oh, these go to... Oh, these are for the people that go rafting. That's what they wear when they go rafting. So guys, look at all this damage. Alright, I'm gonna have to head out, guys. They're needing my parking spot, so there's a big convoy of military trucks just come in, so I'm gonna have to head out. But yeah, this, look at this damage, guys. It's a mobile home park, guys, right on the river. A bridge over there. There's stuff out of people's homes. You'll see piles like this just everywhere, guys, everywhere. These people must have been just up high enough to not really get messed with. But right down here, lower level, just right up under, came up like 4 feet to everybody's mobile homes and just washed everything down. Yeah, guys, right there's the foundation, or where the trailer sat. And look how it is now. Just completely moved the trailer. Alright, guys, so here's the trailer where one of our friend's mother, her mother lived. She was in this for about 8 hours before they rescued her on, I believe, kitchen counter. Let's walk around here, see if we can't peek in it and see. It pushed this trailer. Look at that, just tore a hole. Not unless they, I don't know if they ripped that out to save her. No, they took her out to a window. So something just took that out right there. See if I can get you guys in here. Look, there's underpinning, fan, furniture. Just knocked this big, huge tree down. Good Lord, guys. Ground zero. Okay, so there's where she stayed for a couple hours before being rescued on the countertops up there. Look at this. Now this is inside of a mobile home. This is where, I mean, this is devastation. Look at that. Total devastation. Here's like a little porcelain. Looks like a bunny rabbit or something. But I bet it was scary being in here while this area flooded, guys. You can see right there where the water came up. That's how high the water came up in here. Halfway to the ceiling. There's furniture. Wow, guys. A lot of devastation. Let's see. It's probably a bedroom. I don't know if a car come through here or something busted this out. Dang. Sewing machine. I bet that TV's ruined. It's closed. People need to get in here and get what they can get. There's an old vacuum. Sewing machine, but Trump hat. Oh, that's from 2020. Wow, guys, wow. Look at this, just... Man. Can't even see up under the trailer for all the debris. It's just crazy. People's in here getting their stuff. There's a power pole to it. Alright guys, I can tell by looking at this. You got some red here, red there. Got some red up there. Whatever caused this damage was burgundy or red in color. You got some rub marks here, down there. Even got it on the door right here. Maybe what pushed the door open, I don't know. But it ends right there. So something big and burgundy caused all this damage. I take it. Huh. Alright guys, I think I found the culprit. Whatever this is, on a piece of a porch or something, it matches up with the paint rubbings right here. So, interesting. It's kind of burgundy in color. Look how that one ended up, guys. In a sinkhole. Dang. All this is 8 feet underwater, roughly. Look there, guys. There's stuff out of their home, even across the street. It went all the way over there. And guys, just to give you an idea of perspective here, the damage right here, the river is 3 football fields back in that direction. 3 football fields back that way.